friends, welcome to Tech Blog. Today we are going to install Laravel 8 on Windows 10 using XAMPP server. In order to do that, we need a couple of things like a XAMPP server, Composer and Laravel 8. And as you know, Laravel 8 requires PHP 7.3 and above version with some extension, that is BC Math, C-type, file info, JSON PHP, MB string, OpenSSL, PDO, and etc. etc. So in order to do that, first we need a XAMPP server, and after that we have to install Composer, and after that we have to install Laravel 8. So follow the process. So first I'm gonna open a web browser and search for XAMPP server. Go to download option and check for your suitable version. Basically I need PHP 7.3 and higher version, so you may take this one or this one also. So I'm going to take this one, and it's going to download here. So in download section you can find the XAMPP server. Also we need Composer, so open up a tab aside and search for COMPOSER, Composer, and go to download option, and I need Composer for Windows installer. So basically these are for Linux distribution, and this one for Windows. So now we have both installer file in my download folder. So first we need to install XAMPP server. Go ahead and click on yes button and follow the steps. A warning comes out because the XAMPP are trying to install C:program files that has missing write permission. So we have to give the permission, USC permission with msconfig after the setup. You can do this after the setup also. So for now click on OK button. So go ahead and next. So what are the requirements you have to select here. So I'm going to select all these things and click on next button, and my XAMPP server are going to be installed in C:/XAMPP. You can change this directory as per yours by changing the location, but I'm going to let it default actually. So click on next. Obviously language I set here English. There is 2 different versions available, English and Dutch. I'm going to select English. So next, I'm going to fast forward this section. As you have seen here, my XAMPP server installation has been completed, and click on finish button and it will run the control panel. So basically it's a control panel for XAMPP server. XAMPP server version is 3.2.4, that containing Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat, etc. etc. So I'm going to minimize this for now, and we're gonna install Composer. Okay, install for all users. Yes. And if you want developer mode, then check out this box. Basically we are going to install this for development purpose, so I checked this. Otherwise, if you have production server, so basically users not going to run this type of server from Windows. Basically they use a Linux server or cloud server basically. So we are generally looking for development mode, so we check this out and click on next. So Composer will going to be installed in my C:\composer directory. Click on next, and this is my PHP path. So let me check out again. C:\XAMPP and then PHP yes, and PHP, and from there PHP. So exactly the path is same. I'm going to add this path to my PHP path. Next. Actually this will ask you for proxy URL for internet. If you have a proxy server, then you have to enter the proxy server IP or URL, otherwise left it blank. Click on next button and your installer is ready to be installed, and hit install button. So there is some troubleshooting information. If your Composer doesn't work properly, then you have to do the following steps. Basically you have to log off and log in again, and you need to open the command window. So click on next button, and if you want to see the documentation, you have to check this, or otherwise click on finish button. So as of now we have XAMPP server installed and Composer installed in my system. So next we have to install Laravel in our h3 directory. So let's go, and before going to proceed further, you need to check your PHP configuration. So go to Apache configuration, then click on PHP ini file and go for search, and search for extension. And here you find some extension. We basically need some extension for Laravel 8, that is curl, that's okay, file info, gd2, mb string, it's also opened. Need OpenSSL, also need PHP MySQL, PDO MySQL, also we need PDO MySQL Lite. So these are all already enabled. Anything we need also, I think this one also is needed, XML. Okay, save this file and now start your server. Yes, allow. Basically it's allow your firewall to access your server. Also start MySQL, also allow access. And for now minimize this section, and we have to go in our htdoc directory under XAMPP htdocs. So basically this directory is your document root for localhost. Like you have to type here localhost, and the XAMPP server is running with MariaDB PHP Perl. So basically I have to set up my Laravel here. So I need a command prompt. Type around cmd, and here we go. And I have to go in my htdocs folder. So go on cd dot and I have to go cd / XAMPP, then htdocs. And it is my document root, and here you have to execute the composer command to install Laravel 8. So basically I need to execute composer composer create dash project project Laravel, and then Laravel, and you have to name your app. So I'm going to give my name is my app. So hit enter key, and it will going to create my project, Laravel project. Now it's loading composer repositories and its dependencies. And here you go, my application set up successfully. Now I have to move my application directory, so type cd / my app and dir. This is my application directory, and all the stuffs are here actually. So in a browser, in file browser, you can see here there is folder called my app, and this is my Laravel app. So in order to start your app, you need to execute php artisan command like php artisan arcv. This will start a development server actually. So server IP is this, port is 8000. So copy this and open up your browser and paste it. Here you go. And Laravel is working. So now from here you could edit your application. You could use Sublime Text or Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So I didn't have a Microsoft Visual Studio Code or Sublime here, so you need to open these files. These are my controller, and you could open this by notepad. More, you can open this notepad. Actually, this is my file. So, and now I am going to install Visual Studio Code for code editing. Visual Studio Code. Go to download section and start download for Windows. Open this installer, accept the agreement, click on next. This is your installation path. Click on next, next, and create a desktop icon. Finish this. Open up your folder, and my application directory is C:XAMPP and then htdocs and then my app. Select the folder. Here you go, and the entire app is in your Explorer panel. So basically you need to open any file. You could edit and modify this file and start developing your own project. Guys, hope this video helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel to encourage us. Thank you. Bye bye.